As the world opens a new chapter in artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, solutions are more intricate and span multiple industries. To address this, Intel is offering a set of Intel IoT market-ready solutions and Intel IoT RFP-ready kits to the ecosystem.
Intel designed MRS program by pre-certified solutions so that we can accelerate the deployment of the IoT solutions across different marketplaces.
WPI is a member of WPIG Holdings, the world's #1 and Asia top semiconductor distributor. As a window to all Intel's IoT solutions, we offer one-stop shopping to customers and the right mix of technology and hardware-software edge-to-cloud solutions, even customization suggestion and Intel OpenVINO toolkit support.
Intel market-ready solutions are like convenient and effective toolboxes. WPI is the communicator that connects with all the industry partners, helping us to leverage the toolboxes more efficiently.
By integrating with the Intel MRS and receiving WPI support, we can benefit from the sharing of information between all our partners and enhance the depth and width of our client reach.
With Intel IoT Solution Aggregator WPI support, we can benefit from information sharing among strategic partners, brand awareness, and further broaden our client reach from Taiwan, China, to Southeast Asia in a short time.
WPI has been an Intel long-term partner in driving IoT business. We are confident with the dedicated team, with their footprints, we can accelerate the deployment of the MRS solutions across the region.
WPI as Intel IoT Solution Aggregator, we are the best channel to offer most diversified IoT solutions to address your business needs across multiple domains and applications. Please join us to explore the benefit of Intel MRS and RRK and let WPI to be the trust partners of your business.
Hello, this is Arun from ADLINK India. I'll give you a brief about ADLINK Smart Factory Solutions today. The agenda would be an introduction to ADLINK, followed by making industry smart, robotics in industry, and finally I'll close with a use case which we have successfully implemented in the industries, that is a smart pellet. ADLINK is a leading edge computing company with 25 years of experience in embedded computing, covering 7 business segments, mainly the smart factory, transportation, networking, infotainment, smart city, aerospace and defense, and healthcare. We have strong strategic partnerships with Intel, NVIDIA, and AUO. We embrace open source, which is the Cyclone DDS, and ROS, that is the Robot Operating Systems, and a member of the AutoWare Foundation. Our vision is to be a catalyst for a world empowered by artificial intelligence, and the Compass Intelligence have named ADLINK Edge Computing Company of the Year in 2018. ADLINK is an edge computing company. Basically, we give the embedded computing components, that is the hardware, as well as the edge software to give a total edge computing solution. Now, in an industry, value is created at the edge. Till now, we have been having data which is coming in from machines and it just goes wasted. So value is created at the edge, where in a typical industry, you have many segments of operation, and technology is needed at the edge that can distribute this application data and services over an ever-increasing set of connected assets in a modular fashion. Making industry smart. How do we do it? The right data available at the right time at the right place to make the right decision and take the right action is what smartness is all about. This is basically adding artificial intelligence into the data for you. How do you make it work? We have varieties of edge hardware to suit industry needs. We require the right connectivity of hardware to OT and the connectivity of IT cloud via what is called ADLINK's data river. A word about this. Data river is nothing but the east-west communication from one gateway to the other, which is a non-traditional method of network communication by what is called the ADLINK data river. We are familiar with the north-south network, which is from the OT to the IT, and this is an additional east-west communication. This helps in sharing of resources as well as network for real-time modular vendor-free management. Let's have a brief look at the video for this.
AI fast-tracks effective data-to-decision-based smart manufacturing. Acquired production images are a common critical data type, benefiting particularly from AI analytics. The capture, processing, and management process does, however, present numerous challenges, making it costly, complicated, and time-consuming to implement. A typical system may comprise cameras connected to a frame grabber module in a host computer, with images acquired on the line and processed by specific vision software. Processing and management of the necessarily massive amount of captured data from machine learning requires a VPU-GPU integrated vision solution or a new heterogeneous platform. ADLINK's AI plug-and-play vision system provides a fast-to-market solution with minimal investment requirement on the original platform. With plug-and-play capability and no changes necessary to other components, AI-enabled vision function is up and running in a surprisingly short time. With ADLINK's leading position in the edge computing field, our cloud solution package provides fast and easy connection of AI solutions to leading cloud services, realizing your data to decision to achieve real AIoT. ADLINK's more than 20 years experience in industrial automation and machine vision means we know our customers and how to best meet their needs. ADLINK, leading edge computing.
Let's now go over to the robotics in industry. ADLINK uses many robots in the industry. Now we promote AMRs, which is the autonomous mobile robots, which are far superior to the traditional autonomous guided vehicles which are going on a set pattern and path. Problems posed by traditionally used AGVs and adding AI to robotics is what is done in the AMRs. We will look at all this in a brief video after this slide. AMRs use the power of ROS2, which is using underlying DDS layer in it, and there is an add-on quality of service which is put into what is called ADLINK's Neuron SDK, which is add-on software to the ROS2, and there are various hardware solutions available from ADLINK. Let's have a brief look at the video. Let's have a look at a use case in the industry, the smart pallet solution. We close with this brief video, which is on machine vision for warehouse logistics. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more details, please contact Arun or Venkatesh, details on the slide. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Many thanks for WPIG and Intel give us this opportunity to introduce Jada IoT solution. This is Ekotang. I'm in charge of sales in APJ region. The presentation includes 3 parts: company overview, core business, case study. In part 1, you will know what makes Jada different from other suppliers. Here is our milestone. Jada Technology Development Co. Limited was founded in 1999. We set up our own factory and R&D center in 2003. In 2008, we created brand name Jada and started overseas business. We joined Intel ISA membership and verified by ISO certificate in 2013. Next year, we set up our European branch office. Now, I will highlight our competence on flexible and prompt service. Jada can offer customization service like pre-install, memory, storage, OS, and also branding, and the Linux image verify based on 100 to 500 pieces MOQ. We have our project-based experience of OEM, ODM, SKD, CKD in global. Our English-speaking engineers can provide prompt technical support to the customer. Jada was awarded as the best-selling media player brand in German-speaking region in 2018. Products was widely deployed in famous chain stores like McDonald's, Starbucks, and Shell, etc. In part 2, you will have an idea about Jada's products and applications. We are hardware ODM. Full range of products can support main 3 OS, Windows, Linux, and Android. As Alliance partner of many ISV, Jada has rich experience of software and hardware integration to fulfill the customer's request on different applications, like the kiosk, IWB, and the shelf, digital shelf. Then can use this application in several vertical industry: smart retail, smart education, collaboration, transportation, hospitality, and industry automation. Jada has main 6 segmentation product lines. They are entry-level player, mainstream player, high-performance player, multi-display player, semi-industry player, and OPS SDM. We also have motherboard for your options. We have different form factors of player and motherboard based on various Intel platforms from Atom, Celeron up to Core 7. As a core ODM partner of Intel, Jada will launch 2 new models based on latest platform. PC610 is a OPS with Comm Lake 10th generation desktop CPU, while D611 adapts Tiger Lake 11th general CPU for 8K display. GDSM, Jada Digital Signage Management System, is a system with hardware and software integration. It combines layout management and content management. Customer can use PC or roadmap or notebook as client and distribute content from public or private cloud to the front-end equipment like the single display media player or the multi-screen media player through the WAN or LAN. GDSM integrates all functions of the traditional multi-screen splicing system into a single device to reduce cost and shorten project cycle. It's an Intel market-ready solution for one-stop deployment. JAHC, Jada Active Hardware Control Management System, includes both hardware MCU and software. The main functions include hardware watchdog timer, auto power on, RTC wake up and power off, also the IR remote control. It's a system independent of OS and highly reliable with unattended operation technology. In part 3, let's see how Jada's products work well in the real case. There are 2 cases for smart retail and hospitality. Case 1, A beer shop in Germany needed an intelligent display system to show high-definition advertisement and product information according to the customer's preference. They chose Giada D68 high-performance player integrate with AI technology. When the customer picks up a beer, D68 will get the signal from the mounted sensor by RFID, radio frequency identification technology. Then the screen will display the related information like delta and price. The solution helps to bring pleasant experience to the customers. Case 2. In order to build up a digital smart restaurant, the well-known chain restaurant in Hong Kong chose the total solution of GDSM and the 6-screen video all player G330. GDSM managed all the content displayed on the screen within the store. G330 player supports 4K video all. The solution well satisfied the operator's demand, greatly improved the dining environment and the brand image. Jada has a multi-display solution from 4 to 15 screens. GDSM supports one device with different screens, screen rotation, and picture-in-picture features. It's not affected by the physical border of the screen and can be quickly spliced and grouped. Thanks again for your time to watching our video introduction. If you have any inquiry, please contact our partner WPIG company. We are glad to make further discussion.
Good day, everyone. I'm Jeffrey Chen, Sales Specialist of Elite Group Computer System, also known as ECS. A Taiwanese company based in Taipei, ECS lead in developing, engineering, designing, and manufacturing of computer devices in the industry for more than 30 years. With our innovative experience, ECS has entered educational segment in 2005 with student devices that later evolved into classroom management in 10 years' time. We had deployed more than 30 million devices globally, benefiting educational learning experience for students around the world. ECS devices designed for purpose-built surrounding students. Versatile use for K-12 students segmenting from grade 4 to grade 6 as beginners, grade 7 to 9 as intermediate, and grade 10 to 12 as advanced. Stylus pen readiness on touchscreen devices for student easy usage on writing and drawing. Rotating cameras for students to capture correct angle on their pictures and video recordings. Retractable handlebar for easy carrying. Drop resistance on all of our model to avoid system and data from crushing. Water resistance on all of our model for water spills. Security to keep both devices and data protected. And fanless design to avoid unnecessarily noise disrupting teachers' class. ECS offering hybrid learning through ECS Smart Education Solution. First part will be the classroom learning. Here, each student will be accommodated with student devices with computing performance to withstand schoolwork. Then, the classroom will need both the Content Access Management Point CMAP for classroom management and interaction, and an interactive panel for teacher to share lecture material. And for application, The solution is to have IKES 2.0 bundled software with 2 applications for classroom use, such as the classroom management and the content hub, and 4 applications to run inside or outside this classroom. For classroom learning, ECS Education Solution comes with an interactive panel to be installed in the classroom, Content Managed Access Point by ECS to be installed on the classroom ceiling. And when the teachers come to the classroom, the teacher will connect to the Content Management Access Point through Content Hub application. This way, the teacher can upload the course management, the content management, homework, lecture content, and activities from her computer to the Content Management Access Point. As the students come in one by one, they can connect to the Content Management Access Point through IKES Classroom Management. And during this time, the teacher-student interaction starts. The teacher can see all the students log in to the Content Management Access Point, and the teacher can do the checking attendance, content sharing, control device, quiz, and question and answer with the student. So this is the start of the interaction between the teacher and the student, single, multiple, or all student. The student cannot interact from each other. They only interact with the teacher. The second part of the ECS Smart Classroom solution is the home remote learning. Once left the classroom, the students are free to access schoolwork remotely. With the same student device used in the classroom, the student will have all the comfort upon using the device. And with the same application, the student will have access to the 4 STEM application bundle. Student can utilize ECS device through remote learning. Remote learning can be anywhere: home, coffee shop or restaurant, library, or an exploration field. In order to achieve remote learning, ECS designed rotatable camera can provide extra mile for use to take pictures of a subject behind the screen. The rotatable camera can also do pictures and video composition with the most comfort of holding the devices without moving it. The digital microphones are also built in around the camera in order to capture clear sound when talking or using during online video classes. Stylus pen can be easily accessed in any case of urgency of using. ECS device does not limit your device usage with remote learning at home. The device is designed to use standard I/O port for students to easily access to the peripherals they have without thinking of compatibility or buying a new one. The 360 degrees hinge will prevent hinge stress and keeping the device sturdy and stable for a period of years. Touchscreen is made available to hand-free from keyboard when using it on tablet or tent mode. And the most important for remote learning: connectivity, durability, and battery life. ECS device offered Wi-Fi connectivity when hotspot or wireless router available. If not, students also have the ability to connect online on remote places through 4G LTE connectivity. As ECS device using low-powered CPU voltage, fanless design, and 11-inch devices, the student can benefit and use the device throughout a school day at school, or just enough when remotely outside at home. A minimum of 8 hours can be achieved for schoolwork purposes. And Being outdoor is prone to clumsiness. Dropping things unintentionally is not an issue on any ECS devices. Our products are built and designed on 70 cm drop resistance to protect your system and data damages. ECS Education Collection Device. For connectivity, we have our Content Management Access Point, CMAP. For notebook, we have clamshell 11.6, 14.1, and 15.6 laptop. For 2-in-1, we have the detachable and the convertible, ranging from 10.1 inch to 11.6 inch. Tablet, we have 8 inch to 10.1 inch ruggedized tablet. ECS Education Collection Device, Content Management Access Point. It is a x86 architecture with built-in memory and eMMC. It also comes with a 2.5 storage to store your data. It is a battery operated that supports 50 users at the same time. For teacher devices, we offered a clamshell laptop with x86 big core architecture CPU. For student devices, we offered several segments to cover the beginner, intermediate, and advanced student. For clamshell laptop, x86 and ARM platform is available from 11.6, 14.1, and 15.6 display panel. We also offer 2-in-1 convertible, which runs with a x86 and ARM architecture, a 10.1 inch touch display panel, a rotatable camera, handlebar. For 2-in-1 detachment, we have the x86 architecture that runs with 10.1 inch touch panel. It comes with a stylus pen and soft keyboard. For the beginner student, we will offer a tablet. It comes with a x86 or ARM architecture that runs with 10.1 inch touch panel, stylus pen, a dual camera, and a Windows or Android operating system. For the IKES 2.0 remote learning, the 4 STEM application will include Cloud Labs, virtual labs to simulate real-life laboratories. Lab Camera allows students and teachers to carry out substantially scientific observation and measurement. Art Range, a digital art studio with full range of familiar tools that looks and works like a real thing. Ubu, a turnkey solution that seamlessly brings computer science into any classroom. This is ECS Hybrid Learning in K-12 education, where we bring classroom learning and remote learning as one, as hybrid. Thank you for your time being with me, and I appreciate it a lot. If you have any more questions, please contact me at my email. Thank you once again, and you have a very good day. Stay safe.